Hi, my name's Bob Deering and I'm this year's Mayor of Hertford, and this is to wish you all a very merry, happy Christmas. Obviously, this year is a very different year to most years. As I'm about to do, switching on the lights is different this year to before, but Hertford Town Council and the people of Hertford are working very hard that we all have the best Christmas we possibly can. Come into the town, support the shopkeepers, support the museum insofar as social distancing allows. We have a Hertford trail, we have a book trail, we have a Grinch trail, we've got no end of trails. Come into the town and have a great time. Happy Christmas to you. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch on!